The leeks are up this time of year. Other people call them ramps, but I call them wild leeks. They're like a wild onion. They're really good. You cut that little end on off of them. The leaf and everything is edible, but I'll munch on these every once in a while I'm out doing this. And I make like a sauce type butter with them too. But these are growing all over up here. No, I don't let the dog eat them because onions are toxic to a dog, and I don't know if these will be too, so I don't let him eat them. And he seems to leave them alone. He just likes smelling them. But those are leeks. They're growing right now too. You can pick them while you're picking morels. So nothing more organic than that. So good stuff.